Alright. Good morning. It is time to try out this little vertical engine again. I don't remember what the model number is offhand because I wasn't thinking that far ahead. So I had issues last week. We're going to try again this week and see what happens. I have the drill starter out. I put batteries in it and I did check for spark already. I'm going to start with the needle. And I haven't marked the needle yet either. I should do that. But I open the needle a half turn. I should probably try to prime this a little bit. Okay, I have compression. And I did check for spark. Well, let's check for spark again, and also pull the plug. I may have just flooded it immediately when I tried to prime it, because these little ones, you get so much air in the... Nope. Alright. Oh yeah, we got spark. Okay. Oh, that's definitely over. This is spraying fuel out the side now. Alright, well, I have compression, but I don't have a ton of compression. So I wonder if, like the EM2, there are a lot of loose grub screws on this and it just keeps working its way out of timing. So we'll try it a little bit more, but... Oh, if I turn the ignition on, that would help. Alright. I think it's dry. I think it's dry inside it. There we go. Alright. very close. Just take this filler cap off the crankcase. There we go. Alright. Maybe that restriction on the crankcase is enough to keep it from running. Haven't found the sweet spot yet. Okay, that was really wide open, so let's try, now that we know it runs. So I adjusted it from 0, so I know that it should be on the lean end for starting, and as it warms up, that should bring it back into better mix. Hopefully that will keep it running for a little bit. We'll see how long it goes on this tank of fuel.